Windows play a major role in your home's comfort, energy efficiency, and curb appeal. In Phoenixville homes, especially those with older construction or changing seasonal weather, window problems can quietly develop over time. From rising energy bills to drafts and condensation, small issues can quickly turn into costly repairs if left unchecked. Understanding the most common window problems and how to fix them can help you protect your home and avoid unnecessary stress. Drafty windows and air leaks. One of the most common complaints among Phoenixville homeowners is drafty windows. If you feel cold air in the winter or hot air in the summer near your windows, air leaks are likely to blame. These drafts often come from worn-out seals, cracked caulking, or poorly fitted window frames. How to fix it? Temporary solutions like weather stripping or resealing with caulk can help in the short term. However, if drafts persist, professional window repair or replacement is usually the most effective long-term fix. Modern energy-efficient windows are designed to seal tightly and maintain indoor comfort year-round. Condensation between window panes. Foggy or cloudy windows are more than just an eyesore. They're a sign of a broken seal in double or triple pane windows. When the seal fails, moisture gets trapped between the glass layers, reducing insulation and visibility. How to fix it? Unfortunately, this issue can't be fixed with cleaning alone. In many cases, the insulated glass unit needs to be replaced. If multiple windows are affected or the frames are aging, full window replacement may be the smartest investment for your Phoenixville home. Difficulty opening or closing windows. Windows that stick, jam, or refuse to stay open can be both frustrating and unsafe. This problem is often caused by warped frames, paint buildup, balance system failure, or debris in the tracks, especially in older homes. How to fix it? Cleaning the tracks and lubricating moving parts may solve minor issues. If the window still won't operate smoothly, professional repair or replacement can restore ease of use and improve home safety. Rising energy bills. If your heating and cooling costs keep climbing, your windows may be part of the problem. Outdated or inefficient windows allow conditioned air to escape, forcing your HVAC system to work harder. How to fix it? Upgrading to energy-efficient windows with features like low-E glass and insulated frames can significantly reduce energy loss. Many Phoenixville homeowners notice improved comfort and lower monthly bills soon after replacement. Water leaks and interior damage. Water stains around windows, peeling paint, or damp drywall are signs of moisture intrusion. This can happen due to improper installation, deteriorated flashing, or failing seals. How to fix it? Prompt action is critical. Minor leaks may be resolved by resealing, but ongoing water damage usually indicates the need for professional window replacement. Ignoring the issue can lead to mold growth and structural damage. Aging or outdated window designs. Older windows often lack modern performance features and may detract from your home's appearance. Single-pane glass, rotting wood frames, and outdated styles can reduce both comfort and resale value. How to fix it? Replacing old windows with modern designs improves insulation, security, and curb appeal. New windows also require less maintenance and are built to withstand Pennsylvania's seasonal weather changes. When to call a professional? While small fixes can help temporarily, recurring window problems usually signal a deeper issue. A professional window expert can evaluate your home, recommend the best solutions, and ensure proper installation for long-lasting results. If your Phoenixville home is dealing with drafts, foggy glass, or rising energy costs, addressing window problems early can save money and restore comfort. Quality window repairs or replacements not only protect your home, they improve how it feels to live in it every day.